Welcome to the new Branfuhr Studios workshop. I'm Justin Branfuhr, and this is it. We've been working towards this for quite some time now, and we are finally able to get in here, and we are so excited. It is huge. It is 2,400 square feet, and it's got 2 giant bay doors in the front, and let's go inside and check this out. All right, it's huge. It has got so much space. It's got a car lift to do some fun projects that we have planned for. And there is just so much space in here that we can actually do some really awesome stuff now. So over here, we're gonna work on setting up some sanding equipment and possibly some metal fabrication stuff. And we've got plans to build a painting room right around that bay area. And as soon as we get that up and running, we'll actually be able to start getting some of our finished helmets and armor sets back into production. And we know some of you guys have been waiting for quite some time with that. So bear with us a little bit longer and we will get to this as soon as we can. But here's the shop. It's got so much room. We are going to expand quite a bit over the next year. We've got to do some upgrades like sealing in the ceiling. Right now it's just the bare metal roof, and in the South Carolina heat, it gets pretty hot. It turns into an oven in here. So we've got to get some insulation up, but as soon as that's ready, we'll be good to go. So follow along. This is the beginning of our YouTube channel. We decided this would be a great opportunity to actually get some YouTube videos going. We're gonna do some tutorials and some other fun things with Master Chief and the Mandalorian. But follow along, be sure to subscribe, and we're gonna have a lot of really cool stuff in the near future. So thanks for viewing.